Okay, so things to check before you join any French language classes. Okay, so that later on you do not regret that you did not check before paying the fees and all these things. So these are certain tips from my side which you should check before you join any language classes, French language classes. Number one is you should check the qualification of your trainer. See, I have seen a lot of people who have just done their A1, A2 and who are teaching, who say that who can teach. But I always recommend that you study from a trainer who is well qualified to teach you. Only if a trainer is well qualified to teach you can the person tell you that follow these resources and do such exercises. So your trainer should be absolutely qualified to teach you. Check for the qualification of your trainer. Okay. Number two, institute's reputation. Institute or companies or organizations' reputation. What is the customer review about the institute, about the organization? This is also something which has to be checked. What do they actually say about the organization? Okay, that really helps you out in deciding which French classes to join. Now, number three, try to join online classes. This I always say. I already told you, you can learn at the comfort of your home. You can choose your comfortable timings. In case you miss anything, ideally, whenever I provide any online classes, we always provide the recording of that classes. In case you missed anything during the class, or in any case you missed anything due to your professional emergency, any medical emergency, anything is there, then you can catch up for the missed classes. This is number three. Number four is age is not a factor. This is one thing people usually ask us. I am 40 years old, I'm 45 years old, I'm 50 years old, I am 8 years old. Can I learn the language? You can learn the language at any age. Yes, I always say that a child has more learning capacity when we compare this thing with adults. Because as an adult, our mind is filled with a lot of things. Yeah, but age is not a factor to be considered if you want to learn a language. Okay, you can learn it at any age. Yeah. Number five is choose the classes which focus on all the four sections: LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. There are people who help you out with reading and writing, but follow such classes which help you out in developing your listening skills, which help you out in developing your speaking skills also. So this is really, really important, because after you're done with A1, there are so many people who tell me that, ma'am, I know reading, I know writing, but I do not know about listening and speaking. How about that? How should I practice that? Because they have joined such classes, they have joined such a teacher who has not focused much upon reading and on listening and speaking. So join such classes which help you in all the four skills, which help you in developing all the four skills. Okay.